Say spaghetti.
Okay.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clear light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were two for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. A good day to tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live.
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. About myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how real love should feel.
Do you gotta go potty? Do you gotta go potty? Go outside? Yeah? Go. It is bright outside, but good official morning, you guys. And now that I have, vacuumed and mopped every square inch of my house, it's about time to go get the kids. They have early release for the rest of the week this week. Today's Wednesday, so 2 more days. Well, 2 more days for Scarlett, because Aiden's last day of the week is today, which this is his first time having early release. So yeah, I gotta pick him up here in a couple of minutes, but I can't tell you how good it feels to have clean floors now. Right? Right, Gypsy? Clean floors? Clean floors? Yeah? Good girl. You ready to go inside? Are you all done? So beautiful. I love this house so much. I love how much natural light it lets in. Like literally the only lights on is under the counter and right there. That's it. The rest is just complete natural lighting, and I love it. I also love our backyard, by the way. I love that it makes me feel like we don't have neighbors even when we do. I love it. All right, enough gushing about the house. Go get Bubba's. I gotta go get Bubba's. Bubbaloo. Bubbaloo. How was your day at school? And your shoes are already off. Look at your toes. I'm gonna get your toes. I'm gonna get your toes. They said that he was talking a bit more in class today. They are gonna send me home like a list. Not a list, but it's like the calendar for the cafeteria, because I guess there's things that he'll eat at home that he's not eating at school, so they just want to let me know like what he's not eating so I don't pick it, because what they do is they'll send me the calendar home and then I circle like what I want him to eat for that day. So they said they're gonna send that home when he comes back on Monday. But yeah, we're in line right now waiting for Scarlett, and then I think I'm gonna surprise them and take them to the playground. I mean, Aiden's in the car so he can hear me, but he's not paying attention. But I do also have to go to the grocery store, so I figured that we could go to the playground first and then go to the grocery store, maybe even pick up some McDonald's or something, so that way we can have a little picnic in the car and then play at the playground. So I'm gonna pick her up and then I will see you guys at the playground. Hey, stay close, okay? Why do you always take off your shoes and your socks? Can you put your sock on? Say socks. Who's on your socks? Can you say Donald? Donald Duck. Are you ready to go play? Say go play. You wanna play outside on the playground? Come on, Chunky. Alright, ready? Go! Come on. Look, go down the slide. Ready? Sit! And whee! Look at you go, babe. Good job. Look at you go. Before you know it, you'll be doing the monkey bars, huh? Are you climbing? Good job. You want to go down the slide? Go down the slide. Go down the slide. Down the slide. Whee! Look at your hair sticking up because of the static. Of course, baby. I did not get us McDonald's before we went to the park, so I'm pulling up now just to get us some french fries, just to kind of hold us over before dinner because we only have a few hours. But I did not vlog that much at the park. It was very windy and very cold. Hi, can I just get 3 medium fries?
Excuse me?
Anything else? Alright, we got the goods. Now I'm gonna park at the grocery store and we're just gonna snack on these and then go in and get the few things that we do need. Because all we need is fruits and vegetables for Scarlett's snacks, maybe a couple more things for her snacks for school, that and after school snacks. Yep, and a Lunchable. And then John wanted sliced deli meats and stuff for his lunches for work. So, yeah, that's all we need. Tell you guys what though, I did not realize how cold it was. It was not that cold this morning when we dropped them off.
It's not even cold.
It was cold to me at the playground. So I'm wearing shorts and I was shivering literally the whole time.
Then you should wear long sleeves and jeans like me.
You are completely right.
And then it would be super duper warm.
You're right, I should have.
And you wouldn't even feel the cold.
I know.
Mama, what a wonderful mommy you are.
Thank you, baby. That was so sweet.
After you is blow little
I want to get his face. Is it hot? Is it hot? Yeah.
Yummy.
Yummy?
Yummy when it's hot. Guess what, guys? French fries are not yummy when it's cold.
Yeah, that's for sure. McDonald's french fries are not yummy when they're cold. So I told you guys that I'm trying to go to bed earlier and wake up earlier. Well, I'm so tired today because last night, for literally no reason, I was woken up with a horrible pain in my throat due to acid reflux. And I swear to you, it did not matter what I did. I was literally up for an hour from like 2:15 to 3:30 trying to get it to go away. I took Tums, I drank a glass of milk. I even ended up taking a heartburn medication that was in our medicine cabinet. And still, it did not go away. I literally just had to sit in my bed, sitting up, waiting for the pain to go away so that I could fall asleep. So because of that, I did not get very much sleep and I'm exhausted. Still woke up plenty early, somehow. But yeah, I'm really feeling it. I'm feeling exhausted. Like I could take a nap right now. Just sitting in the car. You're exhausted too? But we are gonna sit and enjoy our french fries and then we will see you guys back at home with a grocery haul. Just got home and here are our groceries. Who's ready for a grocery haul? All right, come on. All right, ready?
Yes.
All right.
What is this? Milky.
You are a goober.
What are these? Kiwis.
What else did we get?
Corn.
Technically, popcorn.
Corn. Ranch. Salsa. Chips. Blueberry muffins. I really don't like blueberries. Grapes. Cheeses. Chicken and a biscuit. Honey bun cheeses.
That is cinnamon and pecan cereal. Pecans, pecans.
Barbecue.
Beef sticks.
Don't shuffle for only me.
For only you.
No sharing. Bread. Twilight juicy. Meringue chocolates.
I don't know if they're chocolate. It actually says that they are rainbow vanilla. She grabbed these and wanted to try them. So
Vanilla. What's
meringues.
that's for all salad? Turkey yummy. Oopsies.
Oh. Say uh-oh. Say uh-oh. Are you gonna pick it up? Say oopsies.
Oopsies.
Yeah, oopsies. You put it back up. You're gonna carry the croutons? Oh, good job, Bubba. Thank you.
Okay, got some cookies.
Those are macadamia cookies.
Then we got some salami. Salad. Strawberries, blackberries, but you're gonna try it after this clip of the video. Blueberries are hate. Cookies.
They were buy one, get one, so I got Daddy some and me and Auntie Kat some.
Wait, which ones are which?
Those are chocolate chip chewy cookies, and then these are thin cookies. But we were in desperate need of snacks and fruits for her snacks for school. The only thing I really didn't get was veggies, but to be fair, there was a certain someone who, you know, wasn't wanting to behave.
Don't blame me.
Don't blame you. But what if it was you? It was you. I know it was. I was there. I saw it. Can you believe that, Gypsy? Can you believe that? Oh wait, I did get one more thing that I didn't show you, but it was gonna melt. So I got some more of these. These have been like our favorite, me and John's. These are like the vanilla milk chocolate with like an almond layer crust. And I actually just threw the box in here. Normally I just like pour them all in that little thing.
Okay, yeah.
Ice cream. I do wish that they came in a bigger pack because there's only 6 in here. So, eh. Oh, I also got these masks for their teachers. I don't want to unwrap it, but these are supposed to go with their Christmas presents. Please don't mind my hair. But these were supposed to go in their like little Christmas bags, which I still forgot to give Scarlett her teachers because I totally forgot to give it to her the Friday before Christmas break, so it's still sitting in my closet, her little gift bag.
Will you show me what that gift bag looks like?
Later, I gotta start dinner. What are we having for dinner?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Technically, she's just gonna have
Buttered spaghetti.
buttered noodles because she doesn't like the pasta sauce, so.
I hate pasta sauce. I hate any kind of sauce.
Well, you might learn to like pasta sauce when you're a grown up, right?
Do you like it?
Yes.
Does it get all over your face?
No.
Is it messy?
I mean, it's messy if you make it messy. Which I'm glad tonight is bath night because Bubba's gonna get messy. Alrighty, you guys. Update. I am sitting the munchkins down to eat, but Catherine is at a gas station literally around the block, locked out of her car. So she's waiting on either John or John's friend Kevin to help her get into her car because I don't know how to use a lockout kit. So, but Kevin has one and then John has one here at home. So he's on his way home, and if Kevin can't go help her, then John's going to. So that's what's going on right now. Here, I'm gonna take off your shirt because it's spaghetti. You say spaghetti?
Okay.
Spaghetti?
Spaghetti.
I know.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti is so yummy, huh?
Yummy.
Say yummy. Yummy.
Yummy. Yummy.
And I know he has an empty little hole, but that's gonna be for garlic bread when it's done. Do you want some garlic bread too? Yeah?
It's gonna go in the
She's
big
got some
spot.
fruit, and then she specified that she wants her noodles in a bowl. But I feel awful that she's stuck at a gas station right now. She's been literally stuck there for probably 30-40 minutes. Literally the entirety of me cooking dinner. So I feel awful, but there's literally nothing I can do. So a small update, not so small. Where'd she go? Oh.
Right here. Lock my door.
You're saved!
Saved! How you told them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kevin saved her.
I'm not the smartest tool in the show.
Hey, we've all locked ourselves out of our car.
That is true. We all have, so it's not something to be too shameful for.
No, it happens to the best of us, Kat. It really does.
Yeah, we should have been there.
Huh?
We should have been there.
You should have been there. It was freezing outside. I don't think we would have wanted to been there.
I want to play ball.
So do I.
And apparently, Aiden only wants to eat if I feed it to him.
He's like, hiya.
Here, baby. Want a bite? No. You just wanted a bite. It's yummy. You love spaghetti. Publix.
Can I have one?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
I didn't really care for them. Like, they tasted okay once it like melted, but other than that, I did not like the texture. Do you like those?
These are childhood, Cassie. Childhood.
Just a little bit later, and we're getting the kids ready for bed. Scarlett is brushing her teeth, and she's about to go down for the night, and John is getting Aiden ready for bed. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I do hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you click that red subscribe button down below to follow along, as well as the like button down below to let me know that you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, you guys.